Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever been stuck without internet access and need to work on a Google Doc? No worries. Today's video shows you how to make documents available offline in less than a minute. First, open your Google Docs app on any device and make sure you're signed in to the app. And then on the New page, select the document you want to be available offline and then look for the three dots on that document. Click on them. By opening the drop-down menu, look for the option Make Available Offline. Click on it. That's it! The document will be downloaded to your device. Now, even without internet, you can open and edit it. Remember, changes you make offline will be synced back to the cloud when you're back online. So the next time you're facing a flight or a bad connection, make your key documents available offline. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs tips to conquer your workflow, anywhere, anytime.